K18 released 2 shampoos, so let's review the PH Maintenance Shampoo by K18. If you're new to my channel and if you're not, welcome back. I'm Mike. I'm a hairdresser, a L'Oreal color specialist, a makeup fan, and a skincare lover. In today's film, we are going to be testing out, trying out, and reviewing the brand new PH Maintenance Shampoo by K18. So if you want to find out whether this shampoo by K18 is good or if it's a heap of dirt, then you better keep on watching. What is the story, everyone? This is my part 2 of reviewing K18 shampoos, and if you missed last week's review, which was the detox shampoo, I'm going to link it above here. But today is the continuation, and we are reviewing the PH Maintaining, hold on, let me get the name now, PH Maintenance Shampoo by Peptide Prep K18. So you guys, with no further ado, let me present you with Peptide Prep PH Maintenance Shampoo by K18. In this product, we do get 250 ml of product, and this product retails for €45, which is a lot for a shampoo and for 250 ml of product. This product goes hand in hand with the detox shampoo that I reviewed last week, as well as the K18 leave-in mask. So basically, the PH Maintenance Shampoo is your daily shampoo that you would use, where detox shampoo is something you'd use every other wash, but they come in hand, so you'd work in between the two of them. But you guys, let me tell you more about this expensive shampoo and what it will do to your hair. This is a color safe formula that will gently cleanse your hair, as well as it does have the K-peptide ingredient in it. It will optimize the safe pH of the hair, meaning that we're not going to lose any nourishment and the cuticle scales are going to be closed during shampoo and service. So you guys, this is very important because I always talk about pH and our hair lies on a pH 4.5 to 5.5, and I do wish that K18 would tell me what pH it has, because it just says safe pH. But if we all know, if the pH is good, the cuticles are going to be sealed and we're not going to lose any moisture, so the hair is going to be gently cleansed, our color is going to be protected, and we are gonna have the perfect pH of for our hair and our scalp. This is a no strip formula, so that means it's not going to strip any color, but it will remove all the buildup and dirt on our hair, and it can be used daily. So it's your daily maintenance shampoo for our hair, giving our hair that perfect canvas for applying the K18 leave-in mask. So you guys, when it comes to using this shampoo, what I would do once a week, I would go in with the detox shampoo, and then I would follow up with the PH Maintenance Shampoo, and you could use this on an everyday. And if you use the K18 leave-in mask, this will give you that perfect canvas, the perfect foundation to apply that. And what I found with the detoxifying shampoo, well, what I found out, you need to watch my review. But in today's film, we're going to try the PH Maintenance Shampoo, see what it does, whether it cleanses my hair really well, how my hair feels afterwards. I'm going to compare it with the detoxifying shampoo, tell you the difference and how it felt. But first of all, let's open this up like that. I'm not mad about the packaging as such. I mean, it is that biometric hair science packaging, so they wanted to style very like scientific, but we all know K18 is like the bond strengthening system on steroids comparing to other ones. But we're gonna pop that on my hand, and this formula is clear in color, so let's smell it. And we're getting a nice gentle citrus scent, and it lathers quite quickly. So as we can see, it is a lather like formula. So you guys, what am I going to do is I'm going to go off camera, I'm going to shampoo my hair using the PH Maintenance Shampoo Peptide Prep by K18. We're going to come back, we're going to apply the mask, dry it off, so you guys don't go anywhere. Right you guys, and I am back after shampooing my hair using the Peptide Prep PH Maintenance Shampoo. And you guys, we need to talk. I am so happy that I reviewed the two of those shampoos separately, because I feel like my hair felt better after using the detoxifying shampoo. This no, the hair doesn't feel as great. I mean, the hair feels cleansed, but there's definitely no nourishment or anything. I definitely felt like my hair felt better after using detoxifying shampoo. I found the product really hard to rinse out of the hair, and yeah, no, I wouldn't be a fan of it. Even the scent was very strong. For a shampoo that's meant to maintain pH, I mean, it is very important to maintain our pH, but I was expecting a tiny bit more. Like, the hair does not feel any better. It nearly feels more cleansed and clarified than after using detoxifying shampoo, which is very, very strange. But before we're going to conclude everything, let me get my leave-in in mask by K18 that I absolutely adore, and I did review that before, and this is more than enough for my hair, and you literally just need a tiny bit. Like, even if your hair is a bob blend, a one pump is more than enough. So I mean, you don't apply conditioner, you literally just put that on your hair and just work that through. So you guys, what am I going to do is I'm going to go off camera, dry off my hair, and we're going to conclude everything. So you guys, don't go anywhere. Right, you guys, and my hair is dry, and what can I tell you? Obviously the K18 treatment done wonders to my hair, and it made it really nice and really soft. But let's talk about the shampoo. When it comes to Peptide Prep pH Maintenance Shampoo, I am not impressed. For 250 ml of product for €45, this shampoo is a heap of dirt. I mean, I've used the clarifying detoxifying shampoo, amazing, brilliant, loved it. This, like, I need more K18, and they need to add something more. The hair did not feel any better, any worse. It just felt like I used the shampoo on my hair, and that's it. With detoxifying shampoo, I noticed a difference. The hair felt softer and cleaner, when with this one it was just like, oh yeah, shampoo, boom, my hair is washed. For €45, I don't think this is worth it. I think this is a heap of dirt, and I'm very, very upset, and I am very disappointed with this shampoo, because I was hoping that the combo of those two shampoos would be amazing. However, I will still use the detoxifying shampoo in my hair because that is brilliant, and I will use the K18 leave-in in mask. But however, when it comes to the pH maintenance shampoo, this is a heap of dirt. Anyways guys, thank you for watching this film. I hope you found this film interesting, helpful and useful. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Also check out my other social media, and of course you guys, please do what? Do take care. Bye.